These are the SQ series of once-through steam boilers made by Miura. A conventional boiler typically runs at 1400 degrees Celsius, but this one is equipped with an innovative gas burner that lowers the flame temperature to around 900 degrees. Because of this, it's able to reduce nitrogen oxide emissions to 25 parts per million, a quarter of the conventional volume. It took 20 years for this burner to be developed. Conventional boilers are cylindrical and have furnaces in the center. But the SQ series is cuboid and has no furnaces. This model has water pipes closely aligned, making them half the size of conventional models.
低ノックスになる要因であるその火炎温度を下げるということなんですけども、火炎温度を急激に下げますので、なかなかその火炎の安定性が保ちにくいというようなその課題がありました。その課題をクリアするのにですね、非常に時間を費やして試行錯誤もして、実験試験も繰り返したということであります。
Conventional domestic boilers utilize non-furnace technology, but Miura developed this technology to an industrial scale, improving efficiency by creating thermal currents. The key to successfully making an efficient burner suitable for non-furnace designs is to properly blend air and gas. Improvements to the fan and airflow mechanism greatly improves combustion capacity.
当社のボイラーはこういったように密着設置をしてですね、必要な蒸気だけを発生するような運転をします。ですから低い負荷率、あまり蒸気を使われない時間帯、あるいはフルに使われる時間帯、それに応じて必要な台数分だけ動かしてですね、蒸気を発生しますので、そういった意味で非常に高効率な運転がしていただけると思っております。
The SQ series system was designed so that numerous boilers can be centrally controlled via a computer online. It can be operated at the simple touch of a button. The SQ series does not require a license for operation, unlike conventional industrial boilers. Because they are automated, the rear of the panel is packed with electrical circuits, making them look more like an IT product than a boiler. The operation panel controls numerous boilers and both monitors the boiler and controls supply of water and fuel. For larger boiler plants, another computer system can monitor, control the entire plant. This system monitors and controls boilers in detail using graphic user interfaces. This center monitors about 30,000 boilers nationwide during the night and holidays when regional service centers close down. Both manufacturers and users can minimize problems due to 24-hour monitoring. Miura manufactures and distributes the SQ series and other industrial boilers from this Matsuyama City factory. The company also has production bases overseas and offers products that suit the differing fuel requirements of each country.
日本でトップシェアになっているということで、これから海外に少しずつ展開していくんですけども、中国、韓国、それから台湾、それから ASEAN、それから北米をはじめとしてですね、もうすでに 製造工場も作っておりますのでね、これから日本で成功したビジネスのスタイルをですね世界に広げていってですね、で、来年からはですね先ほどお話ししましたオンラインメンテナンスもですね少しずつ展開していくということですので、世界でですね省エネルギーとか抵抗外にですね貢献できる企業になりたいというふうに思っております。
There is a demand in the market for more compact, eco-friendly boilers as opposed to traditional large-scale models. The SQ series helps fulfill this need. The developers of next-generation boilers are working towards nitrogen oxide emissions of 10 parts per million.